Stitch 28377, let's do this thing. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and as always 5. Billy down to the X spot. Jai's at 7. So if anybody wants those extra packs, just let me know. And I'll get it happening for you. Sure, if there's no number card amongst all this, it'll go pretty well. Alright, good luck, y'all. Let's do it. Alright. Can we get one of the gem cards? I don't really know what they are, but it sounds cool. Alright. 2 for Billy. 2 for Jordan. 2 for Bailey. 2 for Axe. 2 for Steven. 2 for Bailey. 2 for Jai. 2 for Axe. Alright, Jai, you're up first. Good luck, Jai. So you get all these cool base cards. I think I want to buy a box so I can just do the set. Stitches front. And then... cute with a little destruction. Shouts to Bentley. Up next, Steve. Good luck, Steve. The You Are Magic. You know... Never believe it's not so. It's magic. A little love bug. Up next is Jordan. Cosmic Connection. What do you got? Angel, You Are Magic. When people start getting their boxes and they've ordered this, let me know if you get... Oh, Billy, you're up next, and it looks like you have a numbered card of Stitch. 27 to 40. Let me know if because I assume someone will care more than I do, if you get the whole base set. I love this card. Yeah, so cool. Stitch, little star. 27 to 40 there for Billy. I just want to see what one of these gem cards looks like. Unless the hollow ones are the gem cards, but I don't really know. I'll find in space of Scrump. These are all for Bailey now. Bailey's in space. Stitch, what you doing out there, man? That's pretty freaky, Bailey. Ooh, Bailey. Stitch. Looks gold, might just be one of the yellow cards. And finally, the XOXO Love. That's very cool. That's Bailey. That is Stitch 28377.